Good evening. I'm a state certified driving instructor. Today, we're going to talk about the knowledge test that will help all students across the United States. Let's go ahead and get it. This type of intersection traffic flow is regulated by signs and signals. This is a controlled intersection. Number two, this type of intersection has no signs or signals to regulate the flow of the traffic. This is an uncontrolled intersection. Number three, the right-of-way blank is or must be given. If you're not sure, let the other person go. Number four, vehicles approaching an intersection must yield to vehicles already in intersection. Rule, the first car rule. The first car to get there is the first car to go. Number five, vehicles approaching an intersection at the same time, the driver on the left yields to the right. This is the same rule. Number six, which lane the safest when traveling straight through traffic and past exits? This is the center lane or the smooth lane. Number seven, which lane? This lane is used when turning right as well as turning right into the lane. This is the right lane. You always want to turn into the nearest lane. Keep your turn as short as possible. Number eight, which lane? This lane is used to turn left or for passing or yielding to oncoming traffic. This is the left lane. Number nine, at the time, a T intersection, the vehicle on the side of the street must stop and yield the right of way. This is true. Number 10, vehicles entering a traffic circle or roundabout should yield to vehicles already in it. This is true. Number 11, while turning at an intersection, you should check your mirrors, recheck the flow of the traffic, and adjust your speed up or down. Number 12, name the left turn risk, crossing multiple lanes of traffic. Number 13, name the right turn risk, turning too wide, beginning drivers turn too slow, turn too short, failure to search the intersection, and failure to signal. Number 14, signal intent to turn at an intersection 3 to 4 seconds in advance or blank feet before the turn. This is 100 feet or half a block. Number 15, a shared left turn lane, you should not travel more than 100 feet. The correct answer is 150 feet. Number 16, which risks are on a rural roadway? All the above: steep hills and curves, narrow bridges, dirt and grit on the road, which creates dust you can't see. Number 17, expressway characteristics allow time to search for traffic flow and evaluate speed and space. The entrance ramp. Number 18, expressway characteristics used to accelerate, monitor gaps, and blend with the speed of traffic. This is the acceleration lane. This is where you get up to speed and get out there. Number 19, expressway characteristics used to move onto the expressway and marked with a broken white line. This is the merge area. That's where you cross that white line and you get into the first lane. Number 20, this type of lane serves as both an entry and exit lane. This is the weave lane. Traffic already on has the right of way. Either you're going to go above the car ahead of it or fall in behind it. Number 21, name this interchange. This is a clover leaf. You can notice the clovers at each of the areas. There are 2 on the right and 2 on the left. Next, name this interchange. Frontage. Let's go to the next. Name this interchange. Diamond. Diamonds are the easiest to get on and the easiest to get off. Name this interchange. This is a trumpet. Notice the shape of it, just like a trumpet, long and it curves. Number 25, in every blank, fatal crash or crashes occur at an intersection. 3, intersections are the most dangerous place. Beginning driver, someone with less than 10 years of experience, you've got to look and scan left, middle, right. You always have to look. Use that vision. Number 26, left turns are more dangerous than right turns. This is true because you're turning in front of oncoming traffic. Pass on multiple lane roads is the safest maneuver you can make. This is false. Number 28, when being passed, you need to maintain speed. Beginning drivers tend to slow down. They drift to the left. They drift to the right. They may even hit the brake. Number 29, even numbered interstates go in which direction? This is east and west. Odd number interstates go in which direction? This is north and south. Wolf packs, not the animals. Wolf packs are groups of drivers traveling at high rates of speed. This is true. You want to avoid wolf packs. You either want to be ahead of the pack or behind the pack. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, subscribe to my channel, share, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. I will make more of this content. Let me know what you think. Bye, guys.